Welcome to Arctic Studio and IT Solutions. Ideas and creations with philosophically, logically, technology, physics, science, with different topic of knowledge. That is our gallery and our studio. Modern aesthetic, calligraphing, sketching, concept designing.